Alrighty guys, UPS man just came, dropped off this package, which is my baby Deathlands that I ordered. So I'm gonna unbox real fast. There we go. Got some of this stuff. It is right here. Optica Deathlands 0.3 Ultra Fisheye. Comes with a lens cleaner, which will be very useful. Comes with some step-up rings, and it looks like a spacer ring. Yeah. Alright. Here's a screwdriver to take the lens shade off. There that is. Optica 5-year warranty. And now here's the fisheye. Comes in a carrying bag. Whatever. That is bigger than I thought it would be. That's really nice. So I can get this thing off. That's really nice. I gotta put a step-up ring on. Look at my camera. What size do I need? I need 37 to 30, yeah. Dang, that is really nice. I gotta turn my steady shot off real fast. Alright. That looks really nice. I am gonna take the lens shade off so it doesn't have that weird vig. But I'll just go show you how it looks real fast. This is my camera now. 96 on 50 Optica Deathlands. Alright, and I would put some test footage up, but you can't see. It's raining outside right now. So I'll probably have some test footage up in the next couple days. So yeah. Alright, bye.